My Rheem Criterion II gas furnace is emitting a buzzing noise when the power is on but furnace not running. What should I check?
Hi, I'm Douglas and I am here to help you resolve problems with your heating and cooling equipment. The buzzing noise is likely just the control transformer, but we need to check a few things. Let's remove the doors and depress the door switch so we can see what the lights on the control board are doing. There should be a couple LED lights. Keep in mind, removing the door may reset the furnace and it may attempt to light but may display a fault code. Also in the main vestibule of the furnace, there should be a data label that gives us the model number. We will need to gather this information.
The only thing I see that resembles a model number is XXXXX 8016. I see no doors to remove to reveal any LED indicators.
The whole front of the furnace is made up of two doors. One covers the burner section that has the gas valve and burners, etc. The other door covers the blower and control board. However, if you see the gas valve which is marked as that VR8205, at least that door is off because you wouldn't see the gas valve. Is this furnace in a basement, crawl space, or attic?
Okay, I removed the lower door and saw that there are two green LED lights on. The buzz seems to have disappeared after removing the lower door.
Okay. That is a good sign. Lights are on. Did you have to depress the door switch to make those lights come on?
I was denied access to your answer previously, so I will try again. Yes, I had to depress the door switch for the lights to come on. The buzzing returned. When the furnace ignited, the orange LED came on.
Okay. That's all good. Let's put the door back on and let it run to see if simply resetting the power reset a fault. The orange light was not blinking, was it?
No, the orange light was not blinking. The door is back on, the furnace is running, all seems normal, but when the furnace shuts off, the buzzing continues.
The buzzing is the transformer in all likelihood. I wouldn't say it's not normal because some transformers buzz. If it's overly annoying, you could replace the transformer.
No problem if I can identify which is the transformer. Is there any harm to leaving it as is?
It is not a problem, other than just being noisy. It has just set up a resonant frequency with the furnace which makes the buzz. The transformer looks like this. It's located in the section where the control board is. Usually up and to the left, but that depends on the model. The wire colors may be different though.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.